Hey friends, welcome back to the WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. This is the 6th video in the WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course, and today we'll be looking at first input delay, also known as FID, and how to improve first input delay. Very soon, first input delay will be replaced with updated metrics, interaction to next paint, also known as INP. In the upcoming video, I'll discuss about interaction to next paint. Before we start the video, let me share some of the most valuable resources with you. If you want to speed up your slow loading website for free, I have a couple of solutions. I'm offering WordPress Speed Optimization 101 course for free. The course contains plenty of videos that will help you speed up your website. You can join our dedicated community for free. Post your questions and I'll do my best to assist you. Finally, you can visit our website, click on Audits, and in the form, if you provide the required information, I will audit your website, highlight the issues that need to be fixed, and provide solutions. What is first input delay? FID is the time between when a user interacts with a page by clicking a link, tapping a button, and key presses, and when the web browser can respond to the user interaction. Let me show you some visuals so that you can understand better. Next to the network requests in this image, you can see the page making a couple of network requests for resources, most of which are CSS or JS. Once the resources downloading is finished, they're processed on the main thread, as you can see here. Now let's look at the following image. Long first input delays occur between first contentful paint and time to interactive. On most websites, critical CSS will be inlined in the header area, and critical CSS is sufficient for the first contentful paint to appear. Hence, we see first contentful paint soon. For the website to become interactive, all the network requests need to be downloaded and executed. In this image, we can see a fair amount of time, including the 3 long tasks, between first contentful paint and time to interactive. During this period, if a user tries to interact with the page by clicking on a link or button, there will be a delay between when the click is received and when the main thread can respond. Now let's look at this image. As we can see, the main thread is busy executing the resources. Let's assume a user clicked on a link or a button at the beginning of this longest task. As the input occurs while the browser runs a task, the browser must wait until the task completes before responding to the input. The time between the user input and when the browser responds is known as first input delay. What is a good FID score? The first input delay measures page inactivity duration, FID. Pages with an FID of 100 milliseconds or less are considered good. Pages between 100 to 300 milliseconds will come under needs improvement. Pages with an FID of over 300 milliseconds are considered poor. To provide an excellent user experience, the FID should be less than 100 milliseconds. The 75th percentile of page loads, divided across mobile and desktop devices, are an excellent benchmark to ensure you are achieving this target for most visitors. How to improve the first input delay? Use a well-coded theme. Soon I'll publish a theme comparison video and show you how to choose a well-coded theme. Use well-coded plugins. Stay away from bloated page builders. Don't use page builders to create header, footer, and sidebars. Offload JavaScript files that are not required. Delay JavaScript files. Minify JavaScript files. Defer JavaScript files. Minify style sheets. Generate critical CSS. Remove unused CSS. Host third-party requests locally. Delay iframes and embeds. Pre-connect or prefetch external requests. Lazy render HTML elements. Use a good host like rocket.net. Use a good CDN. This looks too complicated, but don't worry, my friends. In the upcoming videos, I'll discuss the individual points mentioned and show you how to improve FID. If you think the content you have watched till now is valuable, then this short video is a must-watch for you. If you want to learn how to optimize a website efficiently, the Ultimate Speed Optimization course is for you. Speed up your website, pass core web vitals, and increase your business growth. This course is suitable for complete beginners, intermediates, and advanced users. Here is a website that scored 16 on Page Speed Insights and took 29.2 seconds to load. In just a few hours, the website scored a perfect 100 and loaded in just 174 milliseconds. Become a speed optimization expert and expand your portfolio. You are not just learning how to optimize websites. In the 100K Web Agency Mastery course, I'll show you how to find high-paying clients, generate recurring revenue, etc. If you're wondering how much I charge for optimizing a website, the pricing starts at $500, which can go up to $30,000. I want to see you charge the same to your clients. By the end of this course, I want clients to search for you and not the other way around. The first 300 people who join the Ultimate Speed Optimization course will get a 100K Web Agency Mastery course worth $497 for free. Course links are in the video description and in the pinned comment area. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more such videos, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with others. Sharing the video with others will help me get more views and motivate me to create more valuable videos to help you and others. We appreciate your support and look forward to having you in our community. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care, bye.